What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna make my first dino ribs. I've never tried them before, but I got a new smoker and I'm gonna take it for a spin. Let's see what happens. Approached, and I'm about to check on these bad boys. That dino looks good. It has the bones are already popping out. The ribs and put them back in. We're gonna put them in for a couple more hours, and then we're gonna start checking the temperatures, and then we're gonna eat good. All right, so we just finished off the dino beef ribs, and they are juicy. Look at that. Have to. This is the one I want right here. Look at that. This is going to be for pictures. Right here. Let's taste this bad boy.
The bad boys?
It's a bad boy. Here we go.